Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. Today I'm going to share with you all of the amazing finds I got at Walmart and at Target for the week. So many great deals. I was able to get all of these items completely free. So I'm going to walk you through step by step exactly how I did that. But first, welcome if you are new here. If you are not yet subscribed, please hit that red subscribe button. Today, not only am I going to share with you the best deals that I found, I'll also include clearance pictures at the end of the video, as well as announce the winner of the 15,000 subscriber giveaway. Before I do that though, I want to take a minute, and I've forgotten to do this the last couple of weeks. A few weeks ago, there was a subscriber who left me a comment, and she did like the super thanks, like she gave me money, and it was the first time anyone had ever done that. And her name is Anna. So Anna, I'm assuming you pronounce it Anna. If it's Anna, sorry about that. Thank you so much. That like made my day and just blew my mind. So I really appreciate that. That was so kind of you to show your appreciation that way. Now, let me announce the winner of the $50 gift card. So thank you to everyone who entered. I told you I do this as a random selection. I don't just pick my favorite person. So the computer-generated winner is I am RPH. So go ahead and shoot me an email at savingwithchristina@outlook.com, and I will get you that $50 gift card. Okay, I want to start with the Target deals first. Hopefully y'all are okay with that. Target has just been on fire lately. So many amazing deals. Now, that being said, I did quite a few Shopkick deals. And I don't know if when you watch this, your Shopkick offers will be the same or your Ibotta offers will be the same. So just a blanket statement, always check your cashback apps before doing these offers. That way you know exactly what you're gonna get back before you go to the store and buy the items and then end up upset about something. Sorry if the lighting is super weird. It's like later in the day and I have a really bad light coming through the window, so I apologize about that. Let's talk about the Dove hand soap deal. So this is the Dove foaming hand wash. It's 10.1 ounces. These are $3.99 each at Target, but they're on promotion for buy 4, get a $5 gift card. So you buy 4, you get a $5 gift card from Target as soon as you check out. Also, submit your receipt to Ibotta where you'll get $1.50 back on each of them. So I got back $6 on Ibotta. And then I submitted my receipt to Fetch Rewards where I had an offer for $1.25 back on each of them. So that gave me another $5 back, making my final cost completely free and a 4-cent moneymaker. Now, I did notice that my Fetch offer expired today. I'm still telling you about it because my hope is that offer will be extended. I know some people had an even better Fetch offer for 50% cash back, so that would make this an even better money maker for you. So definitely awesome deal. This is an offer I have been wanting to do for a while, and I finally found it in my store. This Dickinson's toner is $4.69. There's a $3 Ibotta offer, making it just $1.69. I thought that was a great deal, and I want to try this product out. While you're over in that makeup section, a couple of things you want to look for. This CoverGirl Perfect Blend Eye Pencil. They're only $3.19, but there is a $4 Target Circle digital coupon that you can clip, so you'll pay $0 at checkout. Also, look for clearance products in the CoverGirl section. This was just $2.69. This is the Clean Fresh Hydrating Concealer, but I submitted my receipt to the coupons.com app and got $4 back, making this completely free and $1.71 moneymaker. Now, if you want the eye pencil to be a moneymaker versus it just being free at checkout, you could pay the $3.19 and then submit your receipt to coupons.com and get that $4 back, which would make it a moneymaker. Either way you want to do it, or you could do it both ways. I would just do them on separate receipts. That would just be my advice. Now, when you are in your Target Circle app, I always will look at the offers and then search it by discount. That way I can see the highest discount first. And what I've noticed is there's tons of fruits and vegetables lately. So I'm hoping that that continues because I love that offer. And that's why I grabbed this 3-pack of peppers. It was $3.69, and then I had that 50% Target Circle offer. I also grabbed a bag of shredded lettuce and a couple different bags of salad, all at 50% off, so great deals on the produce. Okay, I finally found this product as well, the Hi Chew. I kept looking in the candy section, but apparently this was with like the Asian products. So it was with like the Pocky, and then it had the Hi Chew right there next to it. These are $1.89. Submit your receipt to the Shopkick app where you'll get $2.06 back, making this completely free and a 17-cent moneymaker. Now, if you're not using Shopkick, you want to grab it. This is the week to grab it. Use my referral code SWC5 because you'll get $5 back when you scan that first receipt. But there are so many Shopkick offers. Now, these are the ones I want you to double check because they change daily. And they change by location. So literally when I'm in one section of my city, I have certain offers and certain amounts. And if I drive even just like 5 miles, sometimes the offers go away completely or they change value. It's super, super weird, but just know that that can happen. But I picked up these Clausen pickles. This is in the refrigerated section at $4.29. I submitted my receipt to the Shopkick app where I got 1,000 kicks back, which is $4, making this just 29 cents for a jar of pickles. I then did a bundle deal on Shopkick. I picked up the Cranch at $3.29, the Kraft Mayo at $3.19, and then the Grey Poupon at $3.69. I paid $10.17 at the register, submitted my receipt to Shopkick for a bundle deal, and got back $10.60 back, making all 3 items completely free and a 43-cent moneymaker, and that receipt processed within an hour. It was amazing. Also, bundle deal on Shopkick, grab a Heinz ketchup at $2.49, and then this big pack of Kraft singles at $5.29. I paid $7.78 at the register and then got back $7.60 on Shopkick, making both of those items just 18 cents total. Amazing. Now another offer you can do, my Sweet Baby Ray's at my store was on sale for $1.69. Even if you have no coupons, you can submit this to the Ibotta app and get $1 back, making your final cost just 69 cents. There were some coupons in the May 22nd Smart Source, I believe it was, for $1 off 2 of these. So if you have that coupon, even better deal. Lastly, tons of things on clearance at Target. Tons. All the outdoor stuff marked like 50% off and more. I found this Cutter Backwoods bug spray for $1.43. I always scan clearance products to see if there's Ibotta rebates or any other type of rebates. I found a 50-cent rebate on Ibotta for this, making the final cost just 93 cents, and the original price was $4.79. So not a bad deal. Of course, if you don't have Ibotta yet, grab it using my referral code because you'll get an additional $10 when you scan that first receipt. So that was Target. Awesome, awesome deals. Let's talk about Walmart. Let's talk about the Rays, the Sweet Baby Rays that you can do at Walmart or at Target, whichever one you prefer. This sugar-free, the Rays sugar-free barbecue sauce, which is pretty good. I've purchased it before. $2.78. There's $1 coupon in that May 22nd Smart Source, so you'll pay $1.78. Get back $1 on Ibotta, making your final cost just 78 cents. If you like the dipping sauces, so get a Sweet Baby Ray, actually get 2 Sweet Baby Ray dipping sauces at $1.98 and use that $1.25 off 2 from that $5.22 Smart Source. Pay $2.71. Get back 50 cents for each of them on Ibotta, so $1 total, making your final cost $1.71 or just 85 cents each. Now, I also noticed there were tons of meat deals on Shopkick. There were lots of pork offers. I don't really eat pork, so I don't have any to show you, but I found like a pork tenderloin for like it was $8.41, and there was a Shopkick offer for $5.60 back or something like that. It made it super inexpensive. If you like pork products, double check your Shopkick app because there were some awesome high value offers on there today. I picked up the ground turkey. So this is the honeysuckle 90% lean. It's $3.13. Shopkick had an offer for $1.80 back, making my final cost just $1.33. Now, an amazing moneymaker popped up today on the Shopkick app. Hopefully this is still around when you see this because, oh my goodness, this Queen V. So this is over near like the tampons and the pads, the condoms, that type of section. This is $3.48, but there was a Shopkick offer for $10 back. That makes this bar of soap completely free and a $10 moneymaker. So if you're a guy, go get yourself some personal care soap, even though it's for girls, and make yourself $6.52. Awesome, awesome deal. Now you can also pick up the Intimate Wash. This is priced at $3.98. Shopkick was giving back $6.30 on this, making the final cost free and a $2.32 moneymaker. If you like the wipes, those are also an amazing deal with the Shopkick offer. They just weren't free, so I did not purchase them. My brain is like crazy. Today has just been insane. I woke up and I have been working non-stop all day. I'm so tired. I am working on, there's a new segment that I'm doing on Thursday morning. And so I was going back and forth with them, trying to get them some information on what I was going to talk about. And they asked me for some like question ideas. So I gave them some question ideas. But to be honest, that just stresses me out. For some reason, anytime I'm on the news, I get really nervous. I can't help it. I hope that the more I do it, the more comfortable I'll get. But once I have that segment, if I'm able to share it, I will post a link. That way you guys can watch me get super nervous and talk about how to save money at the grocery store. Swag Bucks and Brand Club. Oh, Brand Club. I had not done a Brand Club deal in a while because it had been frustrating. I did a couple this week. Now, of course, I see it as pending. I can't tell you that it's worked yet because it tends to pend for 5 to 15 days. But let me show you the deals that I did. I had done surveys for the Sargento and the Eggo products. So this Eggo product here, the Thick and Fluffy, $3.18. I had done a Brand Club survey for Eggo for $2.75 back. Now, if that does in fact credit, that will make this just 43 cents. So I'll give you an update next week and let you know if that did credit correctly. I also picked up these Sargento string cheeses because I had done a Brand Club survey. There's also a coupons.com offer. These are $4.44. The Brand Club survey was for $2.25. There's a coupon.com offer of 75 cents. I also had a Fetch Rewards offer for 30 cents back. So my final cost on this was $1.14. Of course, the Fetch and the coupons.com I've already gotten back. I'm just waiting on the Brand Club offer to process. I also tested out Brand Club. They had one of those like instant value deals or instant reward deals where you order from Amazon. So it was like the ramen noodles. So they were $4.44. You get $3 back immediately. So I placed the order and then I synced in Brand Club and that $3 showed up immediately as pending. Now when it's delivered, it's supposed to be delivered tomorrow. I'm supposed to sync again and that $3 is supposed to become unlocked. So wish me luck. Hopefully that happens the way it's supposed to happen. The very last deal I'm going to tell you about is on the Clorox products. You could do this at Target or you could do it at Walmart. Grab 2 of the Clorox bleaches. They have to be at least 24 ounces. I think that was the limit on Swag Bucks. But these are $2.82. I grabbed 2 of them. So my final cost was $5.64 at the register. Then I submitted my receipt to the Swag Bucks app for $5 back. I got that $5 immediately. And so that made my final cost 64 cents, or just 32 cents each. When I submitted my receipt to Swagbucks, I noticed that it was fancier. So I think they've done some updates recently. And hopefully that means some of the kinks will be worked out, because I did get that instantly. I did a Walgreens Baby Ruth, a ridiculous moneymaker, $8 moneymaker on 8 Baby Ruth bars. And I got $12 back immediately, which was awesome. Legit, my eye is twitching. And sorry, it's like, I don't know if y'all can see it. I'm sure you can't. That was stupid. But it's distracting me because all I can feel is my eye twitching. Is that a sign of being exhausted and working too much? Because that's probably why it's happening. Okay, so I also hit the $1 bonus, midweek bonus on Ibotta, making everything completely free. And like a $2 moneymaker. Just ridiculous. So many groceries completely free. So that's exciting. If y'all have questions, drop them down in the comment section below. If you find an amazing deal, help each other out. Please share it. I would love to hear the deals that you are finding. If you're not already following me, I have put together a cute little graphic. I'll pop it up here on the screen. I now have my website, savingwithchristina.com. I have TikTok and Instagram at Save with Christina, and I have YouTube and Facebook at Saving with Christina. So you can find me one or all of those places. My website tends to have some content that the others do not, because sometimes I'll write blog posts. I also mentioned that if you want to get an email from me, a once weekly email, I tend to write up the best deals that I found throughout the week, a few bonus deals that never make it to video, as well as I try to share a little bit of like personal, kind of what's going on in my week. So if that's something that interests you, pop on over to my website, savingwithchristina.com, and you'll get a little pop-up that says enter your email address to join our mailing list or something like that. And then I just send one email a week with a quick little update. I tend to send those on Thursdays. So if you want to get an email from me, that's how you do it. Thanks, guys.